Greetings, y'all. So I am tired. It's been a long day, and I am going to make a quick vegan meal, and it's going to be a pizza. I just wanted to show you what I do with my flatbread, my 2-ingredient flatbread that I made, and I will link the video here so you can get the pizza crust recipe. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be topping it with. This is going to be my pizza sauce. It's just diced tomatoes. I put them in here with some Italian seasoning and basil, both organic. And I just put probably about a teaspoon of each in there and stirred it up. That is my sauce. This is going to be my cheese. It's actually just plain organic hummus. And then I'm going to top it with some grilled artichokes, some avocado once it comes out of the oven, probably some olives, some oyster mushrooms because those are the only mushrooms I have on hand right now, and some bell peppers. I'm trying to decide if I'm being too lazy to cut up some onion, but obviously red onion would be great on top, and whatever else you like. And then for the greens, I'm just going to top it with some watercress when it comes out of the oven. So this is just a simple, quick, easy vegan meal that you can make when you're tired, and you can just use your 2-ingredient flatbread. I suggest you make several pizza crust of them and put it in the freezer so that you can just use it whenever you want. Days like today, it is really coming in handy. Ooh. So this is pre-made, of course, but I'm just putting it in the oven for 5 minutes because it was in the refrigerator. Just wanted to warm it up a little bit before I put the toppings on. And it is still nice and glistening from the olive oil that I put on top. And there are onions on here already, so I'm just going to use that as an excuse to be lazy and not cut up onions to put on my pizza. I added some water to the hummus to loosen it up. I'm going to stir it, oops, and then it will be more spreadable. So now it's more smooth. Just going to drizzle it on. You can do it however much you like. And now for the toppings. Okay, so the oven is on 350 and this is going to go in for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I'll eyeball it and then I will put the rest of the toppings on, but simple, quick, and easy. And voila, the quick and easy pizza is complete. I did 15 minutes in the oven and the crust is a little brown around the edges, which is cool with me. Everything got cooked down. Then I topped it with the watercress and the avocado. I ain't even trying to make it that fancy, sorry. I'm just tired and ready to eat, so it's pretty enough for me. And I topped it with cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, kelp granules, and oregano. And it is ready. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy meal idea. Again, get this 2-ingredient flatbread in your life. It's going to make things so much easier. I just wanted to show you something that you can do with it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I can share more yummy goodness with you, even if it's quick, fast, and in a hurry like today. Mwah.